Hello, you guys. My name is Shantae Holiday, and today we are going over what goes inside of, or what is inside of, our travel agency course and a box course to go for you. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. We recommend this course and stuff there for people who want to have a university and add a wide range of options for their students. You never really know what people want to learn in your community. So when you have a few options, it makes life tons easier. So I'm going to share my screen. We are going to get right into it. Now, for those who do not know, our courses, you can add to them, you can edit, you can also, make your own webinars to put on top of the videos, things of that nature. We have all text modules. There are no videos. Okay, you don't need videos there to make profit, but it can help with making a connection with your student. So highly recommend. You can change the name of the course, things of that nature. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we can get right into it. So here on my screen, you'll be able to see the course curriculum. So on the first module, of course, is the course introduction overview, where it basically sets the foundation of that course. It tells the student what to expect. It goes over what they're going to be, just a glimpse of what they're going to be covering in all the modules to come. Module 2 will cover the module objectives. You'll be able to find your specialty, know who you're trying to reach, and maintain a healthy cash flow in lessons 1, 2, and 3. In the next module, you'll be able to find the module objectives, of course. Lesson 1 is choosing a name for your travel agency. Lesson 2, consider all legal aspects. Lesson 3 is to create a successful travel business plan. Now in the fourth module, you'll have the module objectives, of course. Lesson 1 is to employ skilled personnel. Lesson 2 is to create a website dedicated to your agency. Lesson 3 is pricing. Module 5 will cover the module objectives. Lesson 1 is obtaining funds. Lesson 2 is conduct effective promotional campaigns. Lesson 3 is run well-made promotional campaigns. And lesson 4 is to get the most out of your online travel agency. No one wants to start a new business and feel like they're stuck with no options. And finally, the last module is the congratulation module, which congratulates your students for taking a chance on your course, investing in your brand, your company, your school. And in these modules, I also recommend for people to have fun with it. Add your affiliate links, add your Facebook groups, really get in there and make it your own. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys joining me today. If you're watching this video on one of our social media platforms, please leave a comment below, and I look forward to seeing you guys for the next video. Bye.